Now making a variable. So you might have observed that while crossing the different level of a computer game, the scores of the player either increase or decrease. So it is displayed on the screen at the end of the game. To store these score values, variable are used. So a variable is a placeholder in the scratch memory that is used to store a changing value. Variable can hold one value at a time. These value can be either number or strings, means text. In Scratch, data block is used to create variable in a project. Variables are represented by the blocks shaped like elongated circle uniquely labeled by the user. Let us observe the complete process of creating a variable. So in the data block palette, click on the make a variable block. The new variable box appear. Type any suitable name like name for the variable in the variable name text box. Then select a button specifying whether the variable is for all sprite or for this sprite only. So click OK. The name block will be added under the variable block menu as you can see on the screen. Now drag the block as shown in the figure. When flag click, then ask, then say block. Next one is your set blocks. So now click on the green flag button to run the script. So type your name with the help of a keyboard in the answer box displayed on the stage and then press the enter key. So it will show in the bubbles. The sprite will speak the answer in a voice bubble and it will be stored under the variable name on the top left corner of the stage. Note, when a word is saved in a variable, it is called a string variable. The set block concatenates or joins the string together. For example, if hello and word are put in a box, it will display hello word. This is a rounded block and can easily be placed over the value box of any other block. For example, say block. Now applying reasoning to make decision. Everyone make decision in their daily life. Some of our decisions are so general that we hardly take any time to decide it, but sometimes when a problem is complex, it needs our wisdom and experience to take decision. So difficult situation requires more reasoning and skills to solve our problems. Let us understand this with a simple mathematical equation. We can solve the simple equation quickly like 20 plus 20 equals to 40, but 29 divided by 4 equals to 5, 8 multiplied by 8 64, 50 minus 20 equals to 30. When the mathematical equation is complex, it needs our right reasoning to solve it, like 12 multiplied by 65 plus bracket 40 plus 280 divided by 4 plus 2 operator 2 minus 6 multiplied by 23. So here we need to apply the BODMAS rule. So for that, suppose you have to select 2 hobbies in your school from these 2 categories. There are certain conditions and rules to be followed by every student before making the section of a hobbies from the given list of the 8 categories. Rules to select the combination is like this. Each student has to select at least 2 hobbies. The selection of 1 hobby from each section is mandatory. The periods of 2 selected hobbies should not fall under the same day. Here, keeping the choice of the selection of the hobbies, the student has to determine whether the 2 hobbies are valid combination or not. Likewise, programming in Scratch language include logics and facts. In logical reasoning, we should first identify the main step and then work out on the detail of each step. Look at the shape given here. The main step in the logical thinking are tasks. First, read the problem carefully. This is your task that is given to you. What come next in the sequence? Next, identify. Okay, so your goal is to find the 4th shape. Information, the sequence of the shape is given. In the sequence, the first shape has 3 sides, the second has 4 sides, and third has 5 sides. So next condition, in the sequence the number of the sides of the shape is increasing by 1. Third is we have to solve it to achieve the goal by using the given information and following condition. So reasoning, the next shape should have 6 sides, that is 5 plus 1. Okay, so solution is to work out the solution in the step by step manner. This proves that with the logical reasoning any problem can be solved. In Scratch also you can create project with the help of the block using logical reasoning.